If you are diving into dropshipping, choosing the right platform can make or break your business. Two popular options are Tradell and Zendrop, but which one is actually better? I tested both extensively, and here's what I found. Most people get this wrong. They assume all dropshipping platforms just handle orders and shipping, but the differences go much deeper. Tradell focuses on simplifying product sourcing with a wide catalog and competitive pricing. You can quickly import products from suppliers worldwide, and their automated order fulfillment helps reduce manual work. Zendrop, on the other hand, emphasizes fast shipping and branded experiences. They have a strong US and EU supplier base, which means delivery times are often faster compared to Tradell, especially if you target customers in those regions. Plus, Zendrop allows custom branding options like branded invoices and packaging, which can help your store feel more professional. The surprising truth is that Tradell can be cheaper upfront, but slower shipping times can affect customer satisfaction. Zendrop costs a bit more, but the speed and branding features can improve repeat purchases and reviews. Integration is another factor. Both platforms integrate with Shopify WooCommerce and other e-commerce tools, but Zendrop's automation tools are more advanced, including bulk order fulfillment and inventory sync, which saves time if you are scaling your store. In conclusion, if your priority is low cost and a huge product catalog, Tradell is a solid choice. But if you want faster shipping, branded experience, and stronger automation, Zendrop is likely the better long-term investment. Subscribe for more honest dropshipping platform comparisons and tips to grow your online business efficiently.